Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS F509DA. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your laptop sounds like a jet engine, it's likely due to a failing fan that is working harder than it should. This can happen from dust buildup or a malfunctioning component, and if left unchecked, it can lead to overheating and potentially serious damage to your laptop. So, let's get started on how to fix this issue. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, some compressed air, and a replacement fan compatible with the ASUS F509DA. First, make sure to turn off your laptop and unplug it from any power source. Carefully flip it over and remove the screws holding the back panel in place. Use your plastic opening tool to gently pry open the panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the fan. It's usually near the center of the laptop. You will notice it is covered in dust, which can obstruct airflow. To extract the fan, carefully disconnect the cable attached to it by pulling gently on the connector. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the fan in place. These screws are typically small, so be cautious not to strip them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the fan from its position. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your compressed air and blast it into the fan area to remove any dust. It's important to keep your workspace clean to avoid any debris getting inside other components. Grab your new fan and place it into the same position as the old one, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the fan's cable, ensuring it's firmly in place. Now it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down gently until you hear the clips click back into place. Replace all screws to ensure everything is secure. Finally, flip your laptop back over, plug it in, and turn it on to check if the fan is running smoothly and quietly. If you notice any issues, it may be best to consult a professional. To prevent this problem from happening again, make sure to clean your laptop regularly, keep it in a dust-free environment, and consider using a cooling pad for added ventilation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.